Most people hang their hammocks flat and wonder why their back hurts. The secret? A 30-degree angle changes everything. Here's how to set up a hammock that actually feels amazing. Step 1. Choose 2 trees 12 to 15 feet apart, at least 6 inches in diameter. Check they're healthy, no cracks or dead limbs. Avoid trees near water or on steep slopes. Step 2. Wrap tree straps around each trunk at 4.5 to 6 feet high. Use at least 1-inch wide straps to protect bark. Never use rope directly, it damages trees and slips. Step 3. Attach carabiners to each strap, then clip your hammock suspension straps to the carabiners. The hammock should form a 30-degree angle from the anchor points. Step 4. Test the angle by lying in the hammock. Your body should be nearly flat, not banana-shaped. Adjust height if needed. Aim for 18 inches of clearance from the ground. Pro tip: a hammock that's too tight creates stress on trees and your shoulders. Loosen it until you see just a slight sag. That's your sweet spot. What's your favorite hammock spot? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more outdoor skills. Visit Sikho.ai.